Back with another breaking update. Punjab police has arrested what is said to be a drug inspector who was allegedly running a nexus with jail inmates and has recovered over 1.49 crores in cash. The accused was facilitating drug smuggling operations connected to illegal pharmaceuticals, medical stores and laundering the drug money. The accused, Amandeep, was said to be in touch with the peddlers, in fact.
Absolutely, Amita. The drug inspector who was being arrested by the Punjab Police Anti-Narcotics Task Force, that is newly constituted force, he was in the nexus of the inmates' drug smuggling case. And simultaneously, the police have also recovered 1.49 crore cash, 260 grams of gold, along with the foreign currency. And even beyond this, the substantial assets acquired through the police and illegal activities were identified. And even the estate value of 2.40 crores in the Zirakpur and Dhakoli also. And his 24 bank accounts carrying 7.09 crore has also been seized by the Punjab Police. So he was the person who was actually running a drug nexus with the Association of Jail Inmates. The drugs inside the jails and the nexus by the jail inmates and the gangsters from inside the jail is nothing new in Punjab. So this kind of person, they are trying to facilitate the network of the gangsters and the drug peddlers who are sitting in the jail and establishing their drug money and providing.
But Amandeep, how would it have been even possible without the knowledge or having any awareness about what's happening within the premises or in the complex without, when it comes to the involvement or other people?
Well, absolutely, Amita. You have rightly raised the issue. The point is that now the Punjab Police Anti-Narcotics Task Force is investigating the network of drug inspector with the jail department, just because it is not possible that without any involvement of the jail officials or the jail department cops, that such kind of network can be run. And even now they are dragging their investigation to the jail department also, and in fact further that the network will be exposed.
So nearly 1.49 crores in cash that has been recovered as the investigation continue of this drug nexus that has been busted, and that too in jail in Punjab. Thank you very much for the moment, Amandeep, for joining in. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News Hour. Thank you very much for staying with us. We'll be back with the latest headlines on the other side.